Hi there, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. I'm going to show you how to make delicious yogurt in your Instant Pot, and it's so easy. You don't need to boil the milk because the recipe uses ultra pasteurized milk, but you do need the yogurt button. Most Instant Pots have this setting, so hopefully yours has it too. I like to make this yogurt plain, but I also love to add condensed milk and a dash of vanilla to it when I want a sweet treat. It's so good. Stay tuned for the ingredients and how to make this easy Instant Pot yogurt. For this recipe, you'll need 4 cups of ultra pasteurized, ultra filtered milk. I use Fairlife brand. And 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, preferably full fat, and I use Fage brand. So get your Instant Pot out and pour the milk into the inner pot. Make sure the inner pot is completely clean and dry. You don't want anything on the inside of the Instant Pot that could contaminate the fermentation process. Add your yogurt starter to the Instant Pot, and at this time you can also add 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk and up to a teaspoon of vanilla if you want sweet yogurt. Stir up the yogurt into the milk so it's well incorporated. Try and get all the yogurt into the milk, including what's left on the spoon or bowl, because you don't want to miss out on any bacteria that would be in the yogurt. And be careful not to add too much yogurt to the milk, because there is such a thing as too much starter. 1 tablespoon of yogurt for 4 cups of milk is plenty of starter. Close the lid. Now, how you program the Instant Pot for yogurt varies based on the model. I have a blog post where I detail how to program each Instant Pot for yogurt. There are so many different models, but I'll tell you how to do it for a few of the common models. What you'll first do is press the yogurt button multiple times to toggle between less, normal, and more until normal is selected. Once you do that, press plus or minus to set the time to 9 hours, which will be 0900. And the Instant Pot display should go to on. On some models, you'll have to press start for it to go to on. After 9 hours, open the lid and the yogurt should be set. You can put it back in to ferment some more if you find that it's not set enough, but I find that 9 hours is enough. The yogurt comes out so thick and it's so delicious and such an easy thing to do. So I hope you get to try this out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.